friends, we have one more exercise. Now we make this 3D model in Creo software. Before starting the modeling, we study this sketch. Now here you can see this one is a simple base is a T slot type, and now this one is a roof type. So first of all we start from this section and extrude up to 96 mm. So first of all we make this close section, sketch this close section and extrude up to 96 mm. Now we open this Creo software. Now select the new model, select the part, subtype, select solid, and now enter the model name exercise 21. Now OK. Now our working window is open. So first of all we start from this sketch, select the sketch and select this plane. OK. You can see this one is a vertical, and now make it horizontal. So we sketch this vertical and now this horizontal type. Here you can see the total height 30 mm. Now base is 10 mm. So first of all we draw the rectangle 36 by 10 mm. Open, select here one rectangle, give the dimension 36, this one is a 10 mm, and now this one is a half of 36. Now make the another rectangle, which one is a which is dimension is 30 mm minus 12 mm minus 10 mm, so 8 mm by 24 mm. This one is a mid rectangle, so eight mm. This height is 24. Now from this center line half of 24, and now coincide with this line. Now make another rectangle which is the top of the side, 12 mm height, and now length is 60 mm. So select a rectangle, draw here another, keep the height 12 mm. Now this length is 60 mm. This one is the top part. Now from the center line half of the this point is deleted. Now coincide with this. Now select the trim and remove the remaining lines and make it close. OK. Select extrude. You can see select extrude up to 96 mm, enter 96.0. OK. you can select the midline. Okay, now make this slot. Now make this slot 10 mm from this edge. So first of all we make this rectangle, select sketch, select this face. Okay, now draw here rectangle. This height is 5 mm. You can see the tip is 5 mm. Now 12 mm top side and 60° both the edges. Select with the dimension 12 mm. This top side 12 mm and now this edge 10 mm. So keep this 10 mm. Now coincide this edge. Now draw two lines. Now give the dimension angle, give with this line 60 mm. with this horizontal line. So delete this one and now enter 60 mm. Now extend now select the make corner, trim the remaining line. Okay, finish the sketch. Select the extrude opposite direction throughout. Okay, select the render. Now make this top section, select the plane 60 mm from the base plane and now make this cross section, select the plane, enter here 60 mm. Okay, now select the sketch, now draw here, draw the one rectangle with this dimension 44 mm and now this one is a 45 mm. Now coincide with this edge. Okay, now make this hole 24 mm both this side and 10 mm hole. Select circle, give the diameter 10 mm and now give the dimension from this edge 24 mm, and now from this edge 24 mm. You can see now 24 mm, and from this edge 24 mm, 10 mm diameter, and extrude up to 10 mm. Also make this chamfer from this edge 30 mm, 30 degrees. Now you can see the 24 mm, so intersect at this corner, so this area is 24, and now make this 30 degrees chamfer. So select line, (24 mm), and now this degrees is 90 plus 30. Now trim the remaining lines. Finish sketch. Select extrude up to 10 mm downward direction, 10 mm. Okay. Now we make this two wall here 45 degrees with vertical line. So select this face. Now make here, draw here. Coincide with this line. So this edge. Now vertical line, give the angle 45, coincide with this, select coincide this point. Okay. Now select extrude up to 10 mm. So see, enter the amount, only 10 mm inside. Okay. Now same, select this side, select this face, and now here 60 degree from baseline. So draw here. Now select coincide. Coincide this line. Now enter the 60 degrees. Select coincide, and now coincide with this edge. Okay. Now select extrude, enter 10 mm inside, 10 mm. Okay. Now our exercise is ready. Now select corner, small radius 5 mm. Okay. Now our exercise is done in Creo Parametric. Now thanks for watching these videos.